Pop Roller Gang family, you already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy TB. Welcome back to another edition of Rolling with TB. You heard me?
What's up, Roller Gang?
Purchase your tracks today.
What's up, my Rolling Gang family? What's up, truckers, man? It's been a while since I made a trucking video, man. This video is probably gonna be a 3-day video, all tied into one woozy woo woo op. But listen, so first things first, thank you for tuning in to Rolling with TB. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for letting me do what I love to do, and is make vlogs. I don't like to do those sit down trucking videos. I don't like to give all that advice and all that. I like to give busy vlog about my life on the road, my life at home, my life when I'm traveling the whole entire world. But listen, so this video, what y'all about to see is, first, I gotta get this fixed. Oh, I got a chip windshield. Got a chip windshield I gotta get fixed because I gotta get that Landstar DOT. Look at that, that's good fuel mileage right there, ain't it, baby? Woo! 10.2 miles per gallon. But yeah, I gotta get that fixed first. Got a chip windshield because I gotta get a Landstar DOT inspection. I'm due July 30th, but I'm trying to get it done because I'm going to Miami July 23rd through the 26th or something like that. I'm trying to get everything I need to get done out the way. And also I got this. Man, I don't know how the hell this happened, but this fog light, it's got water in there. I gotta get the water out of here. Then I gotta figure out how the hell is water getting in there. You see this one, we don't got them problems. We don't got them problems. It's just this one right here. So yeah, so basically, Safe Light is on their way to fix my windshield. That big old crack, well, you can't even see it on this side. You gotta be on the inside of it to see it. But Safe Light is on their way to fix my windshield for me. Then I gotta go figure out about the fog light. Then we gotta run over to Poplar Bluff, Missouri, pick up a load that we're taking out of Mission, Texas. So I'm gonna holler at y'all once Safe Light come. Rolling gang. It's 3:34, man. I've been here since 12 o'clock. They still ain't here to fix this bull jive. Listen, comment down below, man. Is this legal or is this not legal? I know you can't have a crack on the windshield, but I'm trying to figure out if it's the... I think that's them over there. Hold on. I see him. Do y'all see him?
Safe Light Repair, Safe Light Replace.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna check in with y'all once they get done. Rolly. Okay. The whole window out, man. The window is gone. It's crazy. That mud came out smooth too. Yes, sir, ski, but no more cracks, baby. It's crazy to see this. Alright, my Roller Gang family, y'all can see we back open moving. Brand new windshield and we popping out here. Hey, brand new windshield. Landstar inspection ain't gonna stop me. Landstar inspection ain't gonna stop me. But listen, I wanna just throw this in here right here for all y'all who think about coming to Landstar. Check this out. Landstar is giving you a deal. You can't just be anybody. You gotta be a special somebody. And your eyes gotta watch that low boy. Cause your eyes watch that low boy, you can pop up with something like what I had last night. Like,
we interrupt this program to bring you
this. Bam! What you see right here, this is 200 mile trip and some change, 200 some mile trip, going Evansville, Indiana to Wentzville, Missouri. It's automotive load, baby. Can't be wrong with them automotive load. Paying $4,000. $4,000. Man, gotta love it. You see the proof is in the pudding. You just get lucky sometimes and these loads might pop up on you. So come over to Landstar, man, if you're trying to get lucky, get some $10 a mile freight, leaving from your crib. But no, listen, man, shout out to Landstar, man. Shout out to the good paying freight right now. I don't got no complaints about Landstar. I tell everybody this. No complaints whatsoever coming from me, your boy, TB. But listen, what we about to do now is I gotta leave, go to Poplar Bluff, Missouri, pick up this load, taking it to, I think it's Mission, Texas, and this load pays $4 a mile. $4 a mile for you. Bam! See this? $4 a mile. From Poplar Bluff, Missouri to Mission, Texas, picking up on Saturday, delivering Sunday. Delivering Monday, I'm sorry about that. Delivering Monday morning. Then we driving 200 miles over to Laredo, picking up a load in Laredo. We'll take me back to the crib. Then we going to Miami! So I'm gonna see how once we get to Poplar Bluff, guys, on the feet island on everything we got going. Rolling. Poplar Bluff, Missouri, like 3 hours from my home. Now I'm trying to go through here, find my paperwork, figure out what trailer I'm supposed to get. Where we pulled in it, that's where I'm supposed to drop my trailer, my empty trailer off, pick up my load on. But me, I didn't realize I was supposed to come up to the guard check. They ain't got no signs out there, nothing that said that. One of the drivers told me. So we about to get our paperwork, hook up to our trailer, and keep it rolling. So I'm gonna see how once we get back over there. Rolly. My Rolly Gang family, so this the part that's about to suck. This the part about Landstar that everybody hates, is when you doing an actual dropping hook. Because like here, you don't know what I'm pretty sure most of them, you don't know what tray you're gonna get, you don't know what type of repairs you're gonna have to make on the trailer. But my issue today is, like, look at this. So a lot of these trailers at Landstar start with a 6, pretty much. A lot of them start with a 6. My trailer start with a W, which is kind of weird. I've never had a Landstar trailer start with a W. And only trailers I see with a W is these right here, M&J carriers. So I gotta go through here and try to find my trailer, and I just hope that it's kind of like a Landstar trailer, so that for one, I gotta remember the number now. But two, you know, we normally keep these trailers for months and months and months. I don't do a lot of dropping hooks because of this specific reason. But trying to find my trailer now, man. And we can keep it moving. But I hope I got one that's under 10 years so that I could do some more of them automotive loads, man. Them automotive loads be paying that bank. But it can't be, it gotta be newer than 10 years, or can't be no older than 10 years or something like that. So once we find the trailer, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Rolly. Okay. All right, y'all, so we good. We found a trailer. It's, I guess it was put in service July 2019, so a few years ago. It was last inspected on January 2021. So that's good. It's definitely not a Landstar trailer, but it does have a Landstar symbol on the front of it. So we just looking over it right now before I have to hook to it and do my pre-trip. But I just want to see what type of shape we in. Is it Urrod? Nah, that ain't Urrod. That ain't an Urrod trailer, is it? What the hell is this? Oh shit, I don't know how to do that one. Oh, it is Urrod. Okay, it is Urrod. So that's a good thing too. It's a good thing. Tires look pretty good so far. We're gonna have to do a thorough pre-trip of this. It's sealed, so I can't see inside of it. Gotta make sure the seal match up to my paperwork. 140389. 140389. So I'm about to hook up to this trailer. Do my pre-trip right quick and keep it rolling. This again is a $4 mile load going from Poplar Bluff, Missouri to Mission, Texas. Then I'm a deadhead over to Laredo, pick up a load, go back to the crib, and hit to Miami. Rolly. Right now, I had on a full tank of gas, I got 1,315 miles on a full tank of gas. The cheapest fuel is 290 miles. So, I don't know if I'm gonna make it 290 miles, but that's what I'm about to try to attempt to do. Let me see. 290 divided by, at the lowest, 7.0. That's 41 miles. We getting 10 miles to the gallon right now. This load weighs 1,700 pounds. 17,000 pounds, I'm sorry. It weighs 17,000 pounds. So we still got a very, very, very light load. So we at about 50 gallons, a little under 50, probably 49, 48. So a 7.0 miles per gallon, we can make it there. I'm getting 10, so now that I'm loaded, it should be about 8 or 9 miles per gallon to get me there. So I should be able to make it. It's literally 290 miles, it's 4 hours, 24 minutes. Take my 30-minute break there. So that's what we're about to try to do, because it's $250 there. Everywhere else is like $280, $290, $3. But TA, Prescott, Arkansas is $250. So that with Landstar discount. So that's why I'm about to try to make it right quick. And man, hopefully it all works out. I need some cheap fuel with it, cheap fuel and all cheap fuel. I need some cheap fuel with it, cheap fuel and all cheap fuel. Rolling. Man, do y'all see that? 1,600 miles on a full tank of gas. This is what good fuel mileage do for you. 1,600 miles. We are officially on E. Gotta get some fuel now. But look, this is why I stopped here, because right now, honestly, this is gonna be my best fuel option for me. It's $2.50 here. Let me see, y'all can see that. It's $2.50 here with Landstar discount. It's I think it's okay. It's $3.39 a gallon here right now. Landstar get a good discount, so it's gonna be $2.50. This is the cheapest place along my route as far as me being on E completely. Now, if I had enough fuel to get me over to Texas, it would have been way cheaper. But I didn't have I don't have enough fuel obviously to get me to Texas. The closest place is what, Texarkana? I can't make it there. What is Texarkana? Flying J. 266. But I'm not going here because I know it's always cheap fuel here at this Flying J in Texas. New Boston 247. But I'm going to Mission, Texas, so we gotta go down. We gotta go down, so I'm not gonna have enough fuel to make it nowhere down here. So yeah, we stopped. Time to get us some fuel. I use the TA app, man, to get fuel and stuff like that. So I'll get some fuel, keep trucking, man, because we had an eventful day, and I'm gonna take my 30-minute break here too. So I'm gonna catch y'all once we get done getting fuel. Rolling. Hello. Yeah, I was on EE. We already at 200 gallons, and these are 200 right here. 30% was 1,500 on this load that they gave me, which was fuel surcharge and a remaining balance of whatever the trip paid. So there's 1,500 up front. I spent $581 to fill up my tank all the way, and it left me $924. Load delivers Monday morning, and this week I'm probably gonna tell y'all what I made this week in the next video. So that's what the title of the next video gonna be, man. What I made this week. So that's it. Right now we taking our 30-minute break. Taking our 30-minute break, just chilling, fueled up, ready to go. So like I said, I'm gonna catch y'all in Texas again. Rolly Gizang. Yeah, yes sir. Turn me up, don't turn me down, Rolling Gang family. Turn me up, don't turn me down. Today was another successful Blizzy vlog, man. It feel good to do this, man. I ain't made a vlog in so long, but listen, today we got our windshield fixed. Boom. We almost ready for the Landstar DOT inspection. Boom. Talk to y'all about the $10 a mile load I got from the Landstar board. Boom. We picked up our load at Poplar Bluff, Missouri. Bam, bam, bam. Paying $4 or something a mile. It's a weekend. We running on the weekend right now. So this load ain't gonna be delivered till Monday. And then it's time for us to pick up our next load and get to the crib to get ready for Miami, baby. But listen, I just want to say thank y'all for liking. Thank y'all for sharing. Thank y'all for tuning in to another video. If you like this video, let me know if you like this video, because we gonna bring the vlogs back if that's what y'all want. Not, I'm gonna just keep doing my travel vlogs, my family vlogs, and leave it at that. So I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Rolly Gang.